Kajihon, she's the headmistress. Kajihon, Sir Benedict, Lawrence, England, Mr. Atum, Hin, Pen, Kibang, Kambura Atum, Sir Atum, Udugawe, Franci, Lilening, Klongpen, Labang Suani Kete, Independence Day, Anikete Akadong, and Chipulo. Ini arni Ingraji alam pentan nanti 60 rang sudah menglitung kaan kebang report sing berreport meligani narang baklo ilitung lidwang no utang mekmen celang gonglo litung masmar ke ikan kelung Mesan Ben Biglam Lob La Pusi Nilige Tijratum La Ben Sidratum Afan Warchulu Jindu Parpiklo Kopima Alang Lidum Gesung Kelak Jejak Pensi La Jesse Pemelo La Bangso Ani Kati Aperman Aro Mesan Ben Ya Aman Ben La Gunge Tarong Dali Punlo Laki Nomge Alang Lidum Guyafan Ningang Glong Ben Ndu Parpiglo. We have a we are a panorama of colors, sound and movement. We had a feast for our eyes and ears and our minds. And it's all because the work of our teachers and the guidance of the sisters and of course the parents. I want to thank all of you for this achievement, for the today's performance. Sister told me parents are very, very cooperative. They're bringing by the costumes and bringing the children, and so parents po tumapana chorolo po pima niletum sister atum ben master atum ben rap serap serai ben kam klam bamlo la posi na son lam lote niletum school the teji apange mesen kate school ilidum long unji the high sadap long the ilidum mesen ben ram klam nanji non ladak klam son klam lote ninde dulo apange neji pusi I want to thank the sisters and the teachers who prepare the children to give speeches. It is very seldom. I have not seen very many places and only 2 places. Very seldom. But from class 1 onwards, children are giving speeches. Maybe short, but then they have prepared, taken care. A lot of preparation gone behind it, and so I like to appreciate them. And I am sure parents, all of you will appreciate the effort of the sisters and the teachers and will support them. And with the cooperation, we will improve and we will progress and we will have a brighter future and a better school, I am sure. It all depends on our cooperation. Rabindranath Tagore sang, "Into that freedom, let my country awake." Freedom, very many sorts of freedom is there. Spiritual freedom, political freedom, social freedom. We have got all that. We celebrate our culture today in various ways. It's very nice. We must continue to do that. But then we must remember the freedom our forefathers got for us at a great price. They deprive themselves of their freedom, their life, their comforts, convenience, their sacrifice, and so we got freedom. And in order to keep this freedom, to continue to enjoy the freedom, we must be watchful and careful that no one will humble this thing, this great gift that all of us got. And so we must say no to corruption, no to very many things that are there. At the same time, we cannot reform others. First of all, we must reform ourselves. We must respect the freedom of others. Respect the freedom of others to express themselves, to grow the talents, to develop the talents that they have. All this has to be done. So we need to respect others. Then only we can demand respect for ourselves. I'm sure my speech will not be as interesting as the dances and all that. I will not prolong it very much, but I would exhort all of you, while we say we do not have very many things, let us make use of whatever we have got, develop it, and then sincerely respect one another, other cultures, those who don't belong to us, those who are not of our economic status, those who are below us, those who are above us. Let us respect all of them and work together to build up a beautiful India. Let's do our part before we blame others, especially the government. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Father, for giving us such a wonderful and meaningful speech. Kadogo beta ninga chik duga son Father Apan puthod iletum Richard Epitusina. Toro Paulo Father apor nanga chipi pen utuma long nanga chitong dun lapen lam thi jumesen utuma pare ke than pon apor. Father ki tumare ke than pon lam ke lahelo. Apan ri jong dam de ko ke chok che jong dam de ko me thang le ken kleba prang nang pusipu non le tum Karbi Rongsopi ta itu me thang hin pena pang cheng ponang labang so school ka paching thurji apan an so se ke pami thurji apan tum bori ponang klem pona pelana dam pona pelana. Thank you so much, Father, once again. Non putha de tum dam pon ka prang deng dang pon tunang labang ke parlesi het jong usumara tum jumesen lutum apan teacher apan lam ke than pa jumesen do ase